What's up, guys? It's your boy Andre. We're back here again at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you need to remove those unsightly swirls and scratches on your motorcycle's paint, then it's time to check out Harley-Davidson Scratch and Swirl Repair. There's a number of reasons why your bike might have fine scratches and swirls on the paint. Maybe you accidentally used a dirty wash rag or a hard bristled brush while cleaning your bike. Either way, this scratch and swirl repair product is formulated to remove those marks from your gloss paint. Within this 8-ounce bottle is a unique biodegradable compound that contains non-rigid abrasives that provide good initial leveling action on your clear coat. As you continue to buff it on, it becomes less aggressive, and the end result is a beautiful shine. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Wala Mapono, and we'll catch you next time.